So, hello students. Today we are going to learn part 3 of chapter number 14, that is rational numbers of class 7. Okay. Now, in the previous part, we have solved some examples based on rational numbers. Today also we are going to solve some more examples based on the same topic. Okay. So now here we have our first example. Write 4 rational numbers equivalent to 3 upon 7. We have seen what is the meaning of equivalent in the previous period. Equivalent means when we are writing the both the rational numbers in lowest form, our answer should come same. Okay. So now let us see. Now, our original number is 3 upon 7. We want to find 4 rational numbers which are equivalent. So, very simple method is there. We will write first both the numbers 3 into 7 into. Then first, we have to multiply it by 2. Okay, so now numerator is also multiplied by 2, denominator is also multiplied by 2. Make sure both numerator and denominator should be multiplied by same number. Okay, so our first equivalent rational number is now 3 twos are 6, 7 twos are 14. Okay, now let us consider our next example. Sorry, next step. Now, this is our first equivalent rational number to 3 upon 7. Now, for second equivalent rational number, here we have multiplied by 2. Now, in next step, we'll multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. Okay, so now 3 threes are 9 and 7 threes are 21. Okay, then next one. Now, for next rational number, again same numerator and denominator, we will multiply it by 4. Okay, so now what will be our answer? So 3 fours are 12 and 7 fours are 28. Okay, then for fourth rational number, we'll multiply 3 upon 7 by the next number, that is 5. Okay, so here our first rational number is 15 and the next rational number is 7 fives are 35. Okay, so here we have our 4 rational numbers. Okay, then finally you have to write the final answer, that is therefore the required rational numbers are, this one is our 3 upon 7, and these all numbers are what, equivalent to 3 upon 7. Okay, what does it mean? That if you write the lowest form, you will get the answer 3 upon 7. So in this way you have to find the equivalent rational numbers. Okay, now let us consider next example. Now in this example it is given that find an equivalent form of the rational numbers 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 12 having a common denominator. Now, it means that we want to write a rational number, we want to write numbers which are equivalent to 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 12, but they both should have same denominator. Okay, now whenever such a condition is given, that we have to, this number should have same denominator. So the very first step is that we have to find LCM of the denominators, this 4 and 12. Okay, so now LCM of 4 and 12 is how much? So that is 12. Okay, we all know how to find the LCM of the numbers, so by that method we got LCM as 12. Now what we will do, we will make this number's denominator also 12 and this number's denominator also 12. Okay, so now here we have 4. To make it 12, we have to multiply it by 3. Okay, so what we will do, we will multiply first the denominator by 3 and the numerator also by the same number. Okay, so when we are multiplying the numerator and denominator by 3, we get 3 threes are 9 and 4 threes are 12. Okay, so now this is an equivalent rational number to 3 upon 4. Okay, now our next number is 5 upon 12. Now already here the denominator is 12. Why we are considering denominator should be 12? Because LCM of both the denominator is 12. Okay, so I'm just highlighting this one. Now since it is 12, but then also we will multiply it by 1. Okay, so you will get it as 12 into 1, 5 into 1. Okay, then in next step you will get our answer as a 5 upon 12. Now remember what was the question, that these both numbers equivalent number we have to write and they both should have same denominator. So here we have 9 upon 12 equivalent to 3 upon 4, 5 upon 12 equivalent to 5 upon 12, and these both numbers are having same denominator. Okay, so finally we can write that the required numbers are 9 upon 12 and 5 upon 12. Okay, so now next question. Now here it is given that find the value of x if minus 3 upon 7 and x upon minus 49 are equivalent. Okay, so now here already it is given that these both numbers are equivalent, so we can write equal to sign in between them. So now we are given with minus 3 upon 7 is equal to x upon minus 49. Okay, now in next step what we have to do, we will keep this x on one side, remaining all the numbers on the other side. So let us see what happens if we do in such a way. Now here in this step, this minus 49 was dividing. So what we have done, we have changed its side. So here it is multiplying. Okay. Now x is alone over here. Now what we have to do, we have to check whether we can cancel this 49 by this 7 or not. So yes, we can cancel it. How to cancel it? So 7 ones are 7 sevens are. Now this minus sign we will write here. In next step, you have to multiply these both with each other. So minus into minus will become plus, and 3 sevens are 21. So you get 21 equals to x. That is x equals to 21 is our final answer. Okay. So this much is enough for today. Hope you all must have understood up till here. Thank you. Have a nice day.